Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 27, 2022, one-star Sudoku. Column B, column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row, column B, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column G, column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. 8th grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column G, we have 7 and 8. So 7 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Third row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. First grade, we have 4. Column H also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 3. Column D also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Second row and fourth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and 7th row, we have pair numbers, 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column C, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Second row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fourth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 7, 9. Column D and 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. Then 1 is confirmed here. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 2. Seventh row also we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column H, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining. 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, only 1 number is remaining. 9 is confirmed here. 6th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 7 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column E, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 9th row, we already have 6, so 6 can't come. 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 9th row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 9th grade, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 8th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 8. Column J, column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column H, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column H, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 5, 8. Column H, column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column J, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.